Today I'm going to show you how to change a timer on a Hobart mixer. First thing you do is unplug the unit or turn it off at the breaker. Next thing, you're going to remove all 4 screws around this panel right here. I've already gone and loosened them up. Go ahead and take these last two out. Set them aside. You're going to take the knob off as well. Just pulls right off. In the back, you only have 3 wires. One of the wires goes straight to the timer motor. The middle wire, just remember where the middle wire goes, and the right wire, just pull them off. Just like that. Put them on the new timer, and then you unscrew these screws for the timer. These you'll need a little screwdriver for. It's one screw. Get the other one. Just like that. Make sure it goes in exactly the same way. That way the timing isn't messed up. Alright, after you put the timer back in, you just put the screws back in, like so. These are very difficult to get started, they're very small. Put the screws back in before putting the panel back on. Put your knob on just to make sure that you have it in the right position. You'll notice on this knob you have a flat area right there, which has got to match up with that. Put it on just like that. Make sure that it's keeping the proper time and it's not reversed. Then got to be very careful with the wires. Make sure you don't pinch anything. Put it back together, put all your screws in, and you're done.